Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to make a crochet crop top. We're also going to go over the basic stitches that we'll use in this tutorial. So let's get straight into it by making a slip knot. To do that, we're going to form a loop like this. Make sure your hook can fit, and now we're going to pull the long end of the yarn through the loop. Make sure it's nice and loose. Next, we're going to make a chain stitch. For your chain stitch, yarn over and pull through your slip knots till you reach your desired length. The length of your chain stitch should be your waist length minus 5 inches. This next part involves half double crochet. So what you're going to do is yarn over and go into the third V. Pull the yarn through so that you have 3 loops on your hook. And we're going to go into every V till we get to the end of this chain stitch. To start row 2, we're going to chain 2, turn our work, and insert the hook into the third stitch and half double crochet till the end. To begin row 3, let's start by chaining 2, turning our work, and half double crocheting into the third stitch. Do that till you reach the end of your row, where we're going to do something a little different. After you've half double crocheted into all your stitches, you'll be left with the chain 2 space. Half double crochet into it. For row 4, start by chaining 2, turn your work, and half double crochet into the third stitch. Repeat this pattern till you reach your desired length. These little holes are where you will attach your straps, but we'll get to that later. Finish off by chaining 2, pull through the second one, and cut the yarn. So this is what the top part of your crop should look like. Find the middle part of your top, that is where we'll begin working our bra. Half double crochet until you reach your bra size. After the first row, make decreases on each side. Start by chaining 2, turn your work, and make half double crochets into the third stitch. Make half double crochets until you get to the chain 2 space. Half double crochet into the chain 2 space. And at the beginning of every row, you will make a decrease. Repeat this pattern of decreases till you're left with fewer than 6 stitches. For the left bra, begin by slip stitching into the middle part of the top, which is just a slip knot that you attach and yarn over. Then make half double crochet decreases like before. After you're done with your bra, begin by making chains of 150 from the yarn and slip stitch them to the bra. Do this until you have 3 for each bra. Now we'll braid these chain stitches so that they are nice and sturdy, and we're done. Now here is how we fitted them into each of these spaces. You can pause to see this example, but generally these loops can be done up like shoelaces. Thank you for watching. If you've reached this point of the video and would like more crochet tutorials, leave a subscribe. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram, which are in the description. And leave a like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.